all kinds of factories. Factories are big buildings where wood made. Some factories are in the city. Some factories are in the country. Some factories use huge machines. Some factories use small machines. Some factories have robots make good. Some factories have people make good. Some factories have math make good. This factory turn wood to make paper. People write and write in paper. These factories turn content to make glass. People use glass to make clothes. These factories use sand to make glass. People use glass to in window. These factories use parts together to make car. People drive car to different places. What did you use today to start? You started came from factory.